Yes, poutine is from Canada. Hi everyone, I'm Kenji, and today we are going to be unboxing the Deity V Mic D3, and I can't wait. So, the things that actually came in this package were this thing here, which is going to be the dead cat. I have no idea what's inside here. And then, of course, the Deity V Mic D3. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first just open this up over here, and let's see what's inside here. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so this is just an empty box over here. Gonna get rid of that. Over here, got the instruction manual. Over here for the V Mic D3. It's actually nicely inside of a little plastic case over here. A lot of times they just throw it inside the box. Makes it feel a little bit more premium. Warranty card over here. And this is the instruction manual over here for how to attach it and all the various things that come with it like that. So, not too bad. Put that aside for right now. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh. Some random tag. Alright. Put that aside. Now, it's going to start off with this thing over here. As we know what this is the dead cat. Still love that name. Oh my god, they make it so hard to open. Help. There we go. Alright, so it looks almost like a rabbit's foot. It's kind of funny. Alright, trash on the floor. Alright, dead cat. Has a nice little rubber band on it that you can actually cinch closed over here. So you can cinch it closed and it'll kind of cinch around it. I kind of like that. Normally it's just kind of a friction fit that kind of just goes around the mic. This one actually has like a little cinching thing. I like that. Makes it feel a little more premium. So not too bad. Not too bad for the dead cat. Put that aside. Now, I have no idea what's inside here, but we shall see. Nondescript white box. Survey says. Oh, okay. Actually, this is pretty important. This is what's going to be used in order to. You know what? I'm not sure what this is, considering that there's already a cold shoe mount with the shock mount I can see inside the box. Is this just like a bonus thing that they threw in with my order? I'm not going to be unhappy about that. Oh, this doesn't actually feel kind of premium. Has a, looks like a 3/4 inch, 2/4 inch adapter, so you can fit a 1/4 inch inside here, and then there's the, 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch adapter over here, it looks like. And so this can fit onto various things. But this thing's all metal. I don't know why they included this inside here. Oh, it actually tilts back and forth like this. It tilts back and forth. That is not bad, and it actually has a decent friction to it, so it doesn't feel like it's going to move very much at all. So this obviously is the cold shoe that mounts onto like whatever cold shoe that you want to put it onto. That's not bad. It's not bad at all, considering that this wasn't advertised as being part of the kit. This thing just kind of came randomly inside the package. So not going to say no to that. Not going to say no to that at all. All right. So I'm going to put that aside as a little bonus thing right there. And now let's actually work on unboxing this guy. Super excited, considering that my last unboxing was the newer CM14, and that was just a little $22 microphone. And this guy here is $99, so it's $100. And I'm still, so like what I want to do is I want to compare this guy to the Deity D4 Duo, but I'm still waiting on that, even though I pre-ordered that back in July. So I got this guy, same price. So pulling him out of the box, this is how it comes. Silicone stuff, throw that away. Now, comes actually already mounted inside the shock mount over here. The shock mount actually feels, it's all metal. Well, all metal down here at least. This cold shoe cinch down piece over here, this feels like it's all metal as well as the actual cold shoe. Right down here, this is all metal, which is pretty nice. It's not bad at all. And I might take off the included foam windscreen. It's nice, actually has Deity written right there on there. And here's the actual Deity V4 Duo. I'm gonna pop it out of the shock mount. Put the shock mount back in the box for a second. It's actually a little bit lighter than I expected it to be, but probably it's because this entire area down here is mostly air. Because this is, I can't remember the name of the tube. It helps reject sound around it. So this is it right here. Deity V Mic D3. This is not the D3 Pro. I want to actually point that out. So let's see. It comes also with a battery, so you can basically just take it directly out of the box and start using it. I like that. Of course, it's not like any super name brand, but at least you can start with this right out of the box. You don't have to run to the store or go searching through cabinets to find a AAA battery. So this is AAA. And comes with a microphone cord over here. This is the TRRS on both sides, not just on one. So that's interesting. And it has the tension relief over here, which I like a lot. So, and it looks like it is gold plated. At least that's what it looks like. I don't know if it actually is, but that's what it looks like. But all right, so let's get back to the microphone over here. This definitely is all metal over here. Has a let's see, is this the battery door? Yeah, this is the battery door over here. So there's a little button. There's a little button right here that you can use in order to just push it, and it slides the battery door off, so you can slide this thing directly inside. It's kind of nice. It has a little ribbon so you can easily pull out the battery. I like that. It makes it at least, well, it's much better than like when it gets stuck in there and you have to like bang it against your hand, and that's probably not very good for a microphone to do that anyway. So it's good that they included that inside there. So I'm gonna put that inside here. Switch is closed. Has a power button on the back over here, and it has the output jack over here, the female jack, and this is it. Very nice, very nice. So now let's get back over here to the shock mount, which I'm gonna put this windscreen back over here. Let's get back to the shock mount over here. So the shock mount, it's a dual. Now this actually over here is nice because this actually feels like it might actually dampen the vibrations if I were to maybe like tap the side over here by mistake, like as I'm recording, because it has like this sort of pattern where it's a dual sort of shock absorbing flexible plastic material. It doesn't feel like rubber. It does feel like just like a more flexible plastic. Inside here, the yellow area that is actually holding on to the microphone, that's a softer rubber, and that's probably also to help with the friction so it doesn't slide in and out as you are trying to do filming. If you were to tilt the camera one way, you don't want the mic to basically slide out. So the rubber is going to help with that, as well as with the sound dampening as well. So it's not bad. It's not bad. It's definitely durable. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything like that, but it definitely feels like it's flexible enough to actually do some sort of sound dampening or shock absorption, should I say. So we will see what happens when I actually get this out there and try it. But I have high hopes. I have high hopes. This is pretty good. So here we go. The Deity V Mic D3 over here came with all this stuff over here, which is pretty amazing, and I didn't even expect this. I don't know why I'm so excited about this little thing, but like I love these little adapters that can go into like small rigs and things like that. But it's really cool. It even comes with this little Allen wrench too, I guess. I think it's to adjust maybe the tension inside here, because there is a little screw inside there that does look like it takes an Allen key. So it's really cool. I like it a lot. So in the package, get the dead cat. You get the mic with a foam windscreen over here, and you get a pretty decent shock mount. The shock mount does slide back and forth, so if you put it on your camera and you want to move the mic just a little bit more forward, a little bit backward, it actually has a decent throw. It looks like a couple inches, about 2 inches of throw back and forth over here. And so it comes with that. It comes with the battery right out of the box, so you can use this right out of the box, which is nice. You can just unpack it and throw it directly on the camera and start using it. Also comes with the TRRS connector, so TRRS to TRRS, so this can go directly into a smartphone that has one of those jacks. So it's pretty awesome. I'm impressed. All right, I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox this and seeing what sort of things come inside the package. I'm Kenji. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, throw me a comment below, tell me what your thoughts are, and whether you already have this mic, and whether you like it, whether you don't like it, whether you think really like the D3 Pro might be even better. I don't know. So until next time, take care.